Oh, we gotta require a weekly test. Here we go.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Excuse me. You hear that participant's voices?
What?
This is a weekly
Test.
of the
Emergency alert system. Yeah.
this station's test equipment to keep a warning in event in the
Event of an emergency, right?
yeah.
Okay. Is that it?
When after the scroll banner.
Mm-hmm.
So at 1:01 a.m. through until in effect till 1:16 a.m. So
What would you come out there if you're gonna film it?
it's because there was today is going to so at midnight this is today's weekly test and going to be at 10 a.m. will require monthly test.
Well, you better wake up for that.
Yep.
Because I have my alarm set for 9:30, so we get up a little bit early for it.
And Jeffrey's going to wake up at 9.
Well, we'll have to wait and see.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
We have a decent room here where you can play with the babies and nurture them. It's actually really great you're volunteering now because...
Dash ID and off the street.
What, Jeffrey?
What do you say now?
It's overdone.
The
Weekly test.
of the
Tulsa homicide responded to the murder of Keith Lee.
merging.
You're screwing me up.
At the barber shop where he worked.
Why do you have a video camera? About a 10 cow. It just so happens Santa Claus and touch my heart. Is that so hard?
It keeps ever weeklies on TV EAS tests.
The next day.
I'm gonna be the nice guy today and let make
What?
It just keeps only for every weekly on the EAS TV's test.
Okay.
Comes into homicide.
Today before 4.7, which, yes, we are going to talk about at length here in just a moment. Now, some of the seasoned tank watchers out there might recognize this is the particular
I'll see you at 10 a.m.
Yes,
When-
we're talking about GSE.
with the required monthly test.
This is what we call the
When you get started in time
uses large
at the beginning.
hydraulic rams to simulate the thrust
That's it.
of
Bye-bye.
engines
Bye-bye.
during flight.